Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is me, Alia Jaber, from the Palestinian School in Qatar. Today, I'm going to complete for Grade 5, Unit 10, Ben and Emmy's Holiday. Our lesson for today is Period 7 and Period 8. In Period 7, we are going to answer two questions. And now, let's start answering the first question. Find words in the word snake. Then complete the sentences. Here I have two questions in one. The first question is to find the words in the word snake. This is the word snake, and there are hidden words in it. You have to find them and circle them. Then you are going to read the incomplete sentences and complete them with the correct words. Now, let's do the word snake. Let's answer it. Let's find the words in it. Now, I will show you the first one. The first hidden word in the word snake is again. Again. Now, about is written for you and it is done for you. Can you find the others now? Start now. Find the words. Finish. Let's see which words are hidden here. The first one we said again, about, also, wedding, all, by, for, our, palace, princess, married, look like. Okay, now let's use these words to complete the sentences. But we are not going to use all of them. Let's do number one. Emmy was reading a story about a princess. She lived. When I say she means what? The princess. She lived in a palace. So, Emmy was reading a story about a princess. She lived in a palace. Now, can you complete sentence 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6? Complete them with the correct words. Your time starts now. Finish? Let's answer them together and you can check answers with me. Number 2, Ben's family. So what is the answer? All Ben's family went to the wedding in Scotland. Be careful. When you write all, you have to start with capital because it's the first word in the sentence. So all Ben's family went to the wedding in Scotland. Now, number 3. Ben took lots of photos and he also went in a boat. 4. Amy's dad was not happy to drive the car for 6 hours. 5. The family went to Scotland by car. Ben's aunt got married in Scotland. So the last sentence, number 6, Ben's aunt got married in Scotland. Now you can check your answers and check your spelling. Now let's go to the second question. Think and complete the table. In this question, you are going to read the verbs under now, like is playing. It means they are in present continuous form, and you have to change them to the past form because here we have yesterday. So again, what do I need from you in this question? I need you to change the verb from present to the past form. Let's do the first one as an example. The verb is playing. Is playing. It is in the present form. What's the past of play? It is played. Played. Now, can you do the others? Do them, then we can do the others together and you can check your answers with me. Finish? Let's answer them. The second one is watching. What's the past of watch? The past is watched. Is painting. The past is painted. Now look here. Played, watched, painted. All of them end with ed. It means they are regular. And we said before, regular verbs means they are finished with ed in the past form. Now let's complete the others. Is going. What's the past of go? Went. Is wearing, and the past is wore. Is getting, the past form is got. Is writing. What's the past of write? It is wrote. Wrote. Now, went, wore, got, and wrote, they are irregular. Why irregular? Because we don't add ed to them to make them the past. We change the verbs. Go, went, wear, wore, get, got, write, wrote. Now you can check your answers and check your spelling. Don't forget, the past form is very important. You have to study it. Study the past form. Don't forget. They are
Now,
very, very, very
let's
important.
go to question 3.
Write correct sentences. Now look at pen. What did they do yesterday? What do I have here? Yesterday. Yesterday, it means in the past. We are talking about things happened in the past and finished. Remember, again, remember to read or listen to a question carefully and answer it using the same tense. Don't forget to write a capital letter at the beginning of a sentence. So, they need you to write the sentences correctly and don't forget to start with capital letter. Let's read number 1. Watched TV Emmy. Is it correct? No. The order of the sentence is not correct. Let's reorder it in the correct way. The answer is Emmy watched TV. And we have to write Emmy a capital letter because it's the beginning of a sentence. So the answer is Emmy watched TV. Why we said watched in the past form? Because we have yesterday in the question. So the question in the past and the answer is in the past also. Can you do number 2, 3, 4? Do them. Finish? Let's answer 2. Omar sports played. The correct answer is Omar played sports. Don't forget O capital. 3. A picture pen painted. The correct order is Ben painted a picture. Ben painted a picture. And Ben B capital because it's the beginning of a sentence. 4. Wore Rania a pink t-shirt? The answer is Rania wore a pink t-shirt. Don't forget you have to start Rania capital because it's the first letter at the beginning of a sentence. Now you can check your answers and don't forget to start with capital and at the end don't forget to put full stop. The last question in the unit and the last question for today. Read and complete the sentences. Check your spelling. In this question, I have 6 incomplete sentences. You have to look at the pictures, then read the incomplete sentences and complete them with the correct words. I'm going to do number 1 as an example. Let's look at number 1. A lives in a. If you look at the picture, in the picture we have this picture for this girl. What do we call her? We call her a princess. A princess lives. Look at this building. Where does a princess live? She lives in a palace. So, a princess lives in a palace. Can you complete the others? Let's see. Let's go to number 2. I watched a film. The answer is about animals. I want to see it again. 3. Ben went to a wedding in the summer holiday. All his family went. Don't forget, I wrote all A capital because it's the beginning of a sentence. 4. Amy's aunt got married. She got married. She looked like a princess. Why I wrote looked in the past form? Because here we have got in the past form. So the verbs must be in the past form. Amy's aunt got married. She looked like a princess. Amy rode her bike for 3 hours. The last sentence. You can go by bus. It takes an hour. Now check your answers and check the spelling for your answers. In this way, Unit 10 is finished. In this unit, we studied about Ben and Amy's holiday and what did they do in the summer holiday, and we studied the past simple, and we studied the past form for many verbs. Thanks for listening to me. I hope you enjoyed it. See you soon. Goodbye. Alia Jabal.